Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Youper AI application. To log out of Youper AI, first of all, open up the Youper AI app on your device and from the home page, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. Now click on the gear button that appears at the top right, and this will take you to other menu where you'll need to select Log Out. Confirm that you'd like to log out and tap on Yes, and this will help you log out from your Youper AI account. You can log back in anytime using your email or login methods. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.